Hey there, it's Maya from Cloud Campaign, and today we're going to be talking about boosting your ranking, seeing more visibility, and reaching more followers on TikTok through keywords. So if you're looking for that, you're in the right place. Let's get into it. We'll start breaking down how to use TikTok keywords to up your ranking in the algorithm. TikTok is a powerful search engine. If you weren't aware, over 40% of Americans of all ages have used TikTok as a search engine. Most of them are Gen Z or millennial, but people of all ages all over the world are using this platform to search for products, ideas, locations, places, and it's kind of competing with Google at this point. To benefit off of all of this, you need to know how to use keywords effectively. So let's break down how you can exactly do that. First things first, what exactly are keywords on TikTok? To put it simply, keywords are words or phrases that people are putting into the TikTok search bar to search for things. And if your video, content, captions, hashtags are hitting on these keywords, it's going to pull up in that search. By using keywords or key phrases, you're able to rank higher in TikTok's algorithm and populate your video under those searches more often for more people. It's basically about giving your content the best chance it possibly has by using these common words or phrases. When people are searching for things like fitness tips or social media tips, TikTok is basically combing through its algorithm to find those words in people's content to then supply it to the user that's searching that topic. The more you align your content with these popular search terms, keywords, the better. But how do you know what these keywords, what these key phrases people are searching are? And how do you implement them into your content? Well, we're going to use some data. This data comes from Creator Search Insights. Everybody has access to this tool. I use it on mobile, and this is what it looks like. So step one, we're going to go to the Creator Search Insights within TikTok. You do this basically by opening the TikTok app, going to the search bar, and typing in Creator Search Insights. Then you'll see this button. You're going to want to click that, and that will bring you into the tool. You'll be able to see suggested and trending topics, kind of how they're ranking, which ones are going up, trending, and which ones have a content gap. A content gap is a gap in the content that is being created for this topic. So that means more people are searching for this than the content that is supplying the answers to that search, aka a great topic for you to make content about. So what can you do in the Creator Search Insights tool? Well, you can do a couple really cool things that are going to help you make better content. One is search topics, two, save topics, and three, see directly what your followers are searching for. Now that you're supplied with the knowledge of what people are searching for in your industry, niche, category, you're able to supply better content for them. Okay, now that you're supplied with all the knowledge you need on the keywords and the topics that you need to make content for, that people are searching for, how do we put them into our content so that it does rank? There are four main places you can put your keywords to help your content rank. In your hashtags, in your keywords, in your on-screen text, and four is in the words you're actually speaking within your video. And you get bonus points if you use closed captions, and it'll supply the words all over the video so that puts them in there again. Let's talk about some best practices now. Make sure your keywords are in the first couple seconds of your video. That means within your on-screen text or within the words you're actually saying and at the beginning of your captions even. We all know people tune out of a video in a couple seconds, so you want to make sure you hook them and grab them with that main topic that they're looking for. When we go to the caption, we want to make sure we're working in those keywords naturally. Don't just keyword stuff and put them in all over so it doesn't make sense or feel readable. We want the content to still feel authentic, but we want to get to the point. And in the caption, of course, that's where you're going to put your hashtags. Don't overdo it. Don't overthink it. Put a couple hashtags in there. They can be of varying sizes if you want, and just see how they do. I honestly would put hashtags at the bottom of my list of what matters when it comes to these keywords, but they still are important at the end of the day. Okay, so let's do an example all together now. So let's say we're making a video on fitness tips. I'm a fitness creator. I want to make a video sharing some of my amazing expertise and knowledge to my audience. What I'm going to do is first open TikTok, go to the Creator Search Insights tool. I'm going to click in there. If I'm going to scroll around a little bit, see what's on that main page. If I'm not seeing anything that's related to what I want to talk about or what knowledge I can supply, I'm going to go and search fitness tips or workout tips, or maybe I'm doing female workout fitness or something like that. Put that in there, see what comes up. find something that is then trending or has a content gap, and that then gives me my main topic and the main words I need to use in that content. It's actually cool. You can just go right there and into the camera to make your video, even if you want to do it that way. And from here, I'm going to do my video, make my amazing video. Let's pretend that this is a fitness video. And then I'm going to make sure while I'm in the video, if I'm speaking, that I'm saying words that include that topic that we had picked. So you're going to want to put on-screen text now that has that topic. Again, we're doing it in the first couple seconds. Don't forget that. And again, if we have speaking, we're going to put the auto-generated captions. Then we're going to go into that caption, add in those keywords, add in those hashtags, and you're ready to go. That's your piece of content. Me personally, because I like to cross-post my content, when I make that video on TikTok, after I've done my on-screen text and generated captions, I'm going to download the video and I'm going to go into Cloud Campaign and upload it into my content library. Once I'm in my content library, I'm going to go down, I'm going to put in platform-specific captions so that I can then cross-post it out to all my social media platforms. So I'm basically working smarter and not harder, okay? Because I've uploaded my content to Cloud Campaign, now I'm able to cross-post it amongst so many different platforms. This is going to save me time so I don't have to download it from TikTok and then upload it to each individual platform. I put it into Cloud Campaign, I can make platform-specific captions, and I can send it out to all of them all at once. So this is going to save me time. Now that you've posted your content across multiple platforms, it's time to keep track of how it's doing. Cloud Campaign's analytic tools will help you keep track of what's going on with that piece of content, not only on TikTok, but across all platforms. It's super easy to toggle between each platform or look at your account as a whole. You also can make reports on your analytics so you can easily send them out either a manager or a client that needs to see how well you're doing. Now you know how to optimize TikTok search with keywords. Remember, success on TikTok isn't about just going viral. It's about being more discoverable. And if you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and let us know what you'd like to see from us next. Happy creating, guys!